Okay, so let's recap what we did here. So we told it we wanted to build a program connected to Gallery that would take as a file, it would take a file and count the individual words in that file and show them on the screen in a list. And it has done exactly that. We had two errors uh, that we worked our way around by pasting in things that we saw on the screen and telling it to fix it, and observing things that it didn't observe and telling it what we observed so that it could then suggest a fix. We did not get into running a log, but a log is pretty easy to run here in Heroku. And you can always ask the AI that if you haven't figured out, ask it to give you a strategy to debug a problem and some suggested ways to go about it. And then just follow it and tell it, okay, this happened, what fix it, and this happened, and fix it. And we're going to dig in. So let's improve it. Okay, great, it works. Got to give the AI a little credit. Makes them feel good. Yes. Okay. Now we want to make the table sorted from the highest count to the lowest count. Before it is put on the screen. Above the table, please add a bar chart showing the counts in descending order next to the word. Okay. Let's see what it does. Okay, so now we're adding two things. So it's easier to do one thing, but I'm liking to hurry things up. It seems to be going pretty well today. So let's see. We told it what to do, and it said, okay, install chart. Ooh, we have to install a chart. Okay, cool. Modify the Python code. So we're going to update wordcounter.py. Update wordcounter.html. We update the user interface, of course, because it's going to look different. And cool, that's it. Okay, so I don't know how to do the chart thing. What did it say? Install chart.js. For this step, you do not need to install it. Instead, add it to the HTML. Oh, perfect. Okay, so let's get, that doesn't look like all the virtual code. Oh, it's wordcounter.py. That's a pretty short program. Okay, so we're only working now locally on this little product. So isn't this cool? So now it's much simpler. Delete, paste, save. That doesn't look good. Oh, it does. Notice how it changes colors if it detects the right kind of code. The .py, it's checking like syntax and things. Okay. That's how you know you didn't paste in something wonky. Wordcounter.html. Da, 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 da. Thanks for the code. Copying it. And wordcounter.html here. Save. And now it's time to load it. Where'd my terminal go? Come back. There you are. What happened? Hold on. So my terminal restarted, which is weird. or maybe I did that, but I want to make sure I start in the right spot. So documents, virtual lab reboot, right? New terminal at folder. It's a good lesson. Okay, so now we're back to where we want to be. See Jeff Air, virtual lab reboot, and me. Okay, now let's do it again. Add. Commit. Oh, should have changed that one because that would be a good time to change your structure for committing, because now you would know then this one was, you're off now trying to work on another feature, and actually we're working on two. So we asked it to one, sort it biggest to smallest, and two, put it in a chart. And we're going to use chart.js, whatever that is. And it looked like it's going to handle it all by itself. So there we go. So I think that's pretty useful thing to do now. And I'm thinking the next change to make in this program, oh, it's done, is after we get this to work, which is no guarantees. We're using a new program, chart.js. So, okay, I'm going to start all the way back at the beginning again. I don't know if this actually makes a difference. I don't think it does. Here's our word counter app. Choose a file. I'm going to choose my 3-minute speech. Oh, okay, that's not a text file. Upload a text file. So that probably is what makes me get errors. Okay, well, this is a text file. I don't know what it says, but this one's bigger. Oh! I did it. Look at that. Look at that. That's you gotta say, that's pretty impressive. That's pretty impressive for however much time we spent doing this. Well, congratulations. You've built an actual useful thing now. So now you can look at words and you can chart them. We can just tell the AI to change this graph in different ways. We can tell it to get rid of like words that are smaller than 4 letters long, maybe. Maybe they got rid of a lot of these little super common words like the. So, but pretty cool. Pretty cool. So there we go. So thanks for tuning in. Hope you find some cool stuff in here, and hope you can start building your own programs. Later.